So I would like to welcome all of you in the lesson number 46 for grade 1 mathematics. And we're studying subtraction, guys. And in the last class, we were practicing for subtraction without regrouping. So I'll explain one or two questions I'll revise for you here, subtraction without regrouping, and 2 to 3 questions we will practice more for this. And then we will move to the new subtraction with regrouping, and we will practice for subtraction with regrouping there. So guys, subtraction without regrouping is very simple. When you have to subtract, let's suppose you have to subtract 14 from 29. So the first number from which you are subtracting, that is what you have to write first. So in 29 there are 2 digits, 2 tens and 9 ones. And in 14 there are also 2 digits, 1 tens and 4 ones. So you have to make sure that you write the numbers on exact their places. The ones should be below the ones and the tens should be below the tens. Then you will start subtracting the ones first. It will be same in subtraction with regrouping as well. 9 ones minus 4 ones. Okay. So 9 ones minus 4 ones equals to 1. So for that you can use any of the method which is easy for you. You can use your mind, you can use your finger, okay, you can do it mentally, or you can draw lines. I'm going to draw lines for you here. Draw 9 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Cut 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many lines are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 9 minus 4 is equals to 5. 9 ones minus 4 ones is equals to 5 ones. Then you have to subtract the tens. This is 2 and this is 1. So 2 minus 1 equals to what? 2 minus 1 equals to what? So draw 2 lines, 1, 2, cut 1 line. Out of 2 when you take out 1, so it will be 1. So the answer you will get, that will be 15. 29 minus 14 is equals to 50. Let's take one more example, guys. Instead of 29 minus 14, if you are subtracting 37 minus, we will take bigger number, 87 minus 34, then what will be the answer? 87 minus 34. So 87 minus 34, guys, in 87 they are also 2 digits. First you write the number from which you are subtracting, 87. 8 tens and 7 ones. You have to minus what? 34. In 34 they are also 2 digits, 3 tens and 4 ones. You will subtract the ones first. 7 minus 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cut 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many lines are left? You will check. This is 1, 2, and 3. So 7 minus 4 is equals to 3. 7 ones minus 4 ones is equals to 3 ones. Then this is 8. 8 minus 3 is equals to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cut 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 8 minus 3 is equals to 5. You will write here. So 87 minus 34 is equals to 53. 7 minus 4, 3, and 8 minus 3, 5. This is how you will solve subtraction without regrouping question. Okay. Let's move to the practice session, and you have to answer me for 58 minus 22. Answer me in the chat box, guys. 58 minus 22. Subtract the ones first. 8 ones minus 2 ones equals to what? Right here. Then subtract the tens. 5 tens minus 2 tens equals to what? Right here. I'm going to make it private. Now, send it again, guys. Asa Muhammad, very good. Hamza Muhammad, very good. Faris and Abdul Rahman, send it again. Very good, Faris. Abdul Rahman, Muhammad, Hamdi, very good. Faisal or Habib, very good. Fahad al-Udebi, very good. Ahmad Mazin, very good. Anas Ayman Shihata, very good. Abdul Salahi, very good. Ibrahim Muhyiddin, very good. And Ahmad Saifuddin, very good. Abdul Rahman Yusuf, very good. Asam Muhammad.
Yes, sir.
Yes, 58 minus 22.
8 minus 2 equals 6.
Okay.
5 minus 2 equals 3. 36.
That's very good. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Let's take one more student. And Anas Ayman Ilayan.
Yes, sir.
58 minus 22.
15 minus 22 minus what?
8 minus 2 first. Subtract the ones first.
What, sir? I don't hear you.
58 minus 22. First subtract the ones, then tell me the answer. 58 minus 22.
36.
How?
36.
How? 8
How?
ones minus 2 ones equals to how many ones?
36.
Okay, thank you.
35.
No, 36 is the correct answer. I was just asking how. Okay, and 58 minus 22 is equals to 36, guys. How it is 36? When you subtract the ones, 8 ones minus 2 ones equals to 6. When you draw 8 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and cut 2 lines. So there will be 6 lines left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 8 minus 2 is equals to 6. Then you subtract the tens. This is 5 minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cut 2. There will be 3 lines left. So 5 minus 2 is equals to 40. So the answer is 36. 36. So 37 minus 34, guys. This is you have to answer me. 37 minus 34. 37 minus 34. Asad Muhammad, very good. Abdullah Salhi, very good. Hamza Muhammad, very good. Farisuddin, very good. Ahmad Saifuddin, very good. Abdul Rahman Yusuf, very good. Fahad, check your answer again. Ibrahim Muhyiddin, very good. Faisal Al Habib, very good. Ahmad Saifuddin.
Yes.
37 minus 34.
7 minus 4 equals 3.
Okay, that's very good. 7 minus 4.
3 equals 3 minus 3, 0.
That's very good. So 37 minus 34 equals to 3 only.
Yes.
That's perfect. Exactly, guys. 37 minus 34. When you subtract the 4 ones from 7 ones, you will get 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you cut 3. So, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and you cut 4. So, how many lines are left? This is 3. Then, when you draw 3 lines, 1, 2, 3, and cut 3 lines, so 3 minus 3 is equals to 0. So, you will have 0 lines. Now, the next question is 38 minus 23. 38 minus 23. And this is the last question we are doing. Then we will move to subtraction with review. 38 minus 23. Yes, guys. Abdullah Mustafa, very good. Abdul Rahman, Muhammad Hamdi, very good. Basam, very good. Abdul Rahman Yusuf, very good. Hamza Muhammad, very good. Abdullah Salhi, very good. Faris, very good. Ahmad Saifuddin, very good. Abdul Rahman. $38 minus 23. And this is I'm going to ask by Abdul Rahman Yusuf.
Yes.
Yes, Abdul Rahman. 38 minus 23.
8 minus 3.
8
5.
minus 3. Very good. 8 minus 3, 5.
3 minus 2. 1.
1. 3 minus 2, 1. That's very good. Thank you.
Welcome.
Yeah, guys, 8 minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Cut 3 lines. How many lines are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you write here 5. Then 3 minus 2. 1, 2, 3. Cut 2 lines. 1 line is left. So write 1. So 38 minus 23, you get the answer, that is 50. Now we'll move to the page number 55. Sorry, 54, 53, which is subtraction with regrouping. In subtraction with regrouping, you have a question. Jimbo has 23 cubes. Jimbo has 23 cubes and he gives 9 cubes to Twinkle. Jimbo has how many cubes? 23. And he gives 9 cubes to Twinkle. So from 23, you have to take out 9. Why? Because you want to know how many cubes does he have now. So Jimbo has 23 cubes. He gives 9 cubes to Twinkle. How many cubes does he have now? For that, you will have to take out 9 from 23. So in 23, there are 2 digits. 2 tens and 3 ones. And you have to take out only 9, which is a single digit. That means it is ones. You only have to take out 9 ones. The method will be same, guys. First, you need to subtract ones. From 3, you have to take out 9. So you will draw here 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. And you have to cut 9 lines because you are subtracting 9. You have to cut 9 lines. So this is 1. This is 2. Okay. And this is 3. So you can cut 1 line, you can cut 2 lines, you can cut 3 lines, but you cannot cut 9 lines because 9 is a bigger number than 3. If you have 3 lines, you cannot cut 9 lines because 9 is bigger than 3. Right? So what you will do now? I'll tell you what you will do, but this is very important. That's why you cannot cut 9 from 3 because 3 is the smaller number. I give you a practical example. If you have 3 chocolates, if you have 3 chocolates, then tell me, can you give 9 chocolates to your friend? if you have 3 chocolates, can you give 9 chocolates to your friend? Yes, guys, tell me. If you have 3 chocolates, can you give 9 chocolates to your friend?
No. No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
No. If you have 3 chocolates and your friend asks you to give you 9 chocolates, so you will say, I have only 3. I can give you 1 chocolate, I can give you 2 chocolate, I can give you 3 chocolate. But more than 3, I don't have chocolates. I have only 3 chocolates. I don't have more than 3 chocolates. Is it clear to you guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's very good. This is very important, and this is very important that you should identify and recognize that where you cannot subtract a number and you need to regroup. When you have to take out a bigger number from a smaller number, so you are dealing with regrouping question. So from 3 you cannot subtract 9. So what you will do now, 3 will go to his neighbor, 3 will go to 2 and ask for 1. 3 will go to 2 and ask for 1. It will give 1 to this 3 and that will become 13 now. Before 3 if you write 1 it becomes 13. From 13 you can subtract 9. From 13 you can subtract 9. So draw 13 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Cut 9 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Check how many lines are left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 13 minus 9 is equals to 4. Now this is not 2 because it has given 1 to this 3. So it is now 1. Here is 0. 1 minus 0 is equals to 1. So 23 minus 9 is equals to 40. You cannot subtract 9 from 3. You take 1 from 2 and it becomes 13. 13 minus 9 equals to 4 and 1 minus 0 equals to 1. Now check with the book, guys. What is the concept behind it? You have to subtract 23 from 9, right? So this is 23. There are 2 tens. In 23, there are 2 tens. And there are 3 ones. From 23, you have to take out 9. So this is 3 minus 9. 3 ones minus 9 ones. So you can cut here 1, 2, 3. But you cannot cut 9. You cannot cut 9. So what you need here? You need to regroup it. You need to regroup it. What you will do here, guys? One of the 10 you will take to the tens. This is 3. You will take this 10 to the ones. 10 and 3. It is now 13. Look. This was 3 ones. You take 110. 110 means 10 ones and 3 ones. Total 13 ones now. And in the tens, because this 10 has come to the ones, so there are only 110 now. There is no 10. So it becomes 1 tens and 13 ones. Right? So from 13, when you take out 9, you got 4. So you write 4 in the ones place, here or here. And when you subtract the tens, it is 110 because it has given 110 to here. So it is the 110 is left. So 110 minus 010 is equals to 110. So you will write 1 in the tens place in the answer box. So 23 minus 19 is equals to 14. So Jimbo has 14 cubes now. Is it clear, guys?
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's very good, guys. I repeat again. From 23, you cannot subtract 9. So 3 take 1. From 3, you cannot subtract 9. That's why 3 take 1 from 2. Become 13. From 13, you take out 9. Draw 13 line. Cut 9 line. You get answer 4. This is not 2. This is 1 because it has given 1 to this 3. And 1 minus 0 equals to 0. Let's take one more example, guys. Let's take one more example. If I ask you to subtract 19 from 35. If I ask you 35 minus 19 equals to what? What you will do, guys, first you need to write it vertically. 35, in 35 there are 3 tens and 5 ones. And in 19 there is 1 10 and 9 ones. You are doing subtraction. Now 35 minus 19. What you will do, guys? First you will subtract the ones. From 5, you have to take out 9. So you start drawing lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you start cutting lines, 9 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 lines you cut, but you cannot cut 9 lines because 9 is bigger number. You can cut 1 line, 2 line, 3 line, 4 line, or 5 line, but you cannot cut more than 5 lines because 5 is a smaller number. From a smaller number, you cannot take out bigger number. In 5 lines, you cannot cut 9 lines. So what you will do, this 5 will go to this 3 and ask for 1. Give me 1. This 5 go to this 3 and ask for 1. Say, give me 1. This 3 gives 1 to this 5. It becomes 15. Now, it's easy. Now you can subtract 9 from 15. What you will do? Draw 15 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now you need to cut 9 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. How many lines are left? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 35 minus 15 minus 9 is equals to 6. So you will write here 6. But remember, guys, this is not 3 now. This was 3, but it gives 1 to this 5. So it is 2 now. It is same as if you have 3 chocolates, one you give to your friend, so you don't have 3 chocolates. You have 2 chocolates now. Same here. This is 3. It has given 1 to this one, so it is now 2. From 2, you have to take out 1. Draw 2 lines, cut 1 line, so there will be 1 line left. So 35 minus 19 will be equals to 16. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's very good, guys. I repeat again, from 5 you cannot subtract 9, so 5 will take 1 from 3. It will become 15. From 15, when you take out 9, it will be 6. 15 minus 9 is equals to 6. Then this is not 3 now, this is 2. From 2, when you take out 1, it will be 1. So the answer will be 16. All clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
That's very good. Guys, if you have any question, you can ask me right now. We will take one more example for subtraction with regrouping. Okay. And then we will come to practice. So if you did not understand, so you can send a message in the chat box. Okay, Forest, that's good. Now I'm going to change the question. Let's suppose you have to subtract from 42. You have to subtract, let's suppose 26. This 42 minus 26, guys. First, you have to write it vertically. The first number is 42. So from 42, you have to subtract. In 42, there are 4 tens and 2 ones. 4 tens and 2 ones. And in 26, there are 2 tens and 6 ones. This is how you have to write vertical subtraction. Then you will start subtracting by ones first. This is 2 minus 6. So you will start subtracting. Draw 2 lines, cut 6 lines. 1, 2. I have to cut 6 lines. 1, 2. Oh my God. I cannot cut 6 lines. I cannot cut 6 lines because 6 is bigger number. 2 is a smaller number. If I have 2 candies, I cannot give 6 candies to anybody. I can give 1 candy, I can give 2 candy, but I cannot give 6 candy because 6 is bigger, 2 is smaller. So we cannot take out a bigger number from a smaller number. What we will do then? Then this 2 will go to his neighbor, which is 4, and ask for 1. This 2 go to 4 and tell to 4, give me 1. Please give me 1. This 4 give 1 to this 2 and becomes 12. This 2 becomes now 12. Before 2, when you write 1, it becomes 12. Now from 12, you can easily subtract 6. So 12 lines you are going to draw first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Cut 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. How many lines are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 12 minus 6 is equals to 6. Yes, guys, 12 minus 6 is equals to
1. 1. 1. 1. 1.
okay, you are asking me for the 10th, but I was asking the question for once 12 minus 6 is equals to 6. This is perfect. Now, guys, this is not 4 because it gives 1 to this 2. If you have 4 candies and you give 1 candy to your friend, so you don't have 4 candies now. You must subtract 1 from 4. So you have 3 candies now. You have 3 candies now. So this 4 gives 1 to this 2. So this is not 4 now. Because it gives 1 to this 2, it is now 3. From 3, you have to take out 2. 1, 2, 3. Then cut 2. The answer is left, yes, which is 1. 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. So 42 minus 26 is equals to 16. And I received answer in the chat box as well. Very good, Abdullah, Asar, Hamza, Abdul Rahman, Abdul Sali, Basam. Thank you. That's very good. So this is how you will do subtraction with regrouping questions. Am I clear to you guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's very good. Now what you need to, now guys, I hope it is clear to you. 42, how to do subtraction with regrouping questions. So now we will practice one question. I'll give you one question and you have to solve it by yourself. The question is 62 minus 18. This is you have to do, guys. 62 minus 18. This is very easy. Follow the same procedure as I taught you and answer me. 62 minus 18. Answer me in the chat box. 62 minus 18. (62 minus 18). Subtract the ones first. Check whether you can subtract it or not. If not, then what you will do, you will take one from the neighbor and then you will subtract it and write the answer in the ones column. And remember, make sure that you must have subtracted one from the tens when you give it one to the neighbor. Then you subtract the tens and tell me the answer. Abdullah Al-Salhi, very good. Abdul Rahman, Muhammad Hamdi, very good. Farisuddin, very good. Basam Hindi, not good, because it is not correct answer. Abdullah Mustafa, very good. Hamza Muhammad, very good. Asir Muhammad, very good. Anasim Shihata, no. This is very easy, guys. Draw 2 lines. Cut 8 lines. From 2 you have to subtract 8, right? This is tens. This is ones. So check, you cannot cut 8 lines. If you cannot cut 8 lines, what you will do then? Abdullah Mustafa, very good. Hamza Muhammad, very good. Asif Muhammad, very good. If you cannot cut 8 lines, what you will do then? You need to take 1 from the 6. When this 2 take 1 from the 6, it becomes what? Okay. Whatever it becomes, subtract 8 from it. Check on, write your answer. Anasim and Shihada. Check your answer again. So when it take 1 from the 6, this 2 go to 6 and ask for 1. When this 6 gives 1 to this 2, it will become 12. Now it will be easy for you. From 12, you can easily subtract 8. Fahad al-Baby, very good. So for 12 minus 8, what you have to do, guys? You will draw 12 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You need to minus 8. You are subtracting 8 ones from 12 ones. You need to minus 8. So you have to cut 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After cutting 8 lines, how many lines are left? This is what you have to check. After cutting 8 lines, you cut 8 lines, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many lines are left? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 12 minus 8 is equals to 4. So you find out the ones that it should be 4. But remember guys, this is not 6. It was 6. But it gives 1 to this once. So it is now 5. So from 5 you need to take out 1. Draw 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cut 1 line. Check how many lines are left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 minus 1 is equals to. So 62 minus 18 is equals to 44. 62 minus 18 is equals to 44. You can even check your answer. If you add 18 and 50 in 44, you will get the same answer, 62. If I add 18 and 44, I should get 62. 8 plus 4, 12. 2 here, 1 carry. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. Look, I get 62. That's mean my answer is correct. This is how you have to solve subtraction without regrouping question, with regrouping question. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Only 2 students said yes. What about other students? What about other students?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right, guys. So in the next class, we will do practice for subtraction with regrouping questions. Okay. Today I explained you in detail. Okay. Inshallah, tomorrow and the next classes, I will revise for you first. Then I will take you to answer it. I will give you the questions to practice. Okay, and you will solve it. If you stuck anywhere, I'll help you. Okay, so this is the end of our today's class. Inshallah, I'll meet you tomorrow. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye bye. See you in the next class.
Okay. Bye, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you. Bye. Bye, sir. I love you.
Bye bye. Thank you.